We created a plan in order to create the dance portion for the music video. The first step that we took was finding an appropriate location to film where we wouldn't be interrupted. This involved researching convenient areas that wouldn't be busy during the day. The second step that we took was bringing the needed filming materials the day of the music video. Without these tools, the music video would not be successful, so it was crucial that we made the checklist of everything we needed that day.
The third step that we took was to load all the raw footage onto the editing software. This step is important because we must sort out what clips will be used for each video. The fourth step and final step that we took was editing the clips. This includes adding transition cuts, color grading, and syncing up the music. To create the music video, we also had to develop our technical skills. The first skill that we chose was video editing. It is the process of selecting visual and audible material and manipulating it to convey a certain meaning. The materials needed for this skill are editing software, computer, and film clips. To assess this skill, we will compare our editing to other performance videos made by other creators. A second skill that we chose was rig and gimbal operating. This includes using a handheld device to ensure that the footage is leveled, clear, and stabilized. The material used are a camera, a rig/gimbal, or a tripod. To assess this skill, we will compare our videos to pre-existing ones, looking at their camera angles and movements, and evaluating how stable theirs are to ours.
We had to make many changes to our product once we started making it. One change that we made was combining still dance shots with cinematic shots. This was because there was no perfect shot taken, but there were very strong takes in other places of the filming. I decided to cut apart video clips from the cinematic takes and the still takes to create the best music video possible. Another change that we made was the editing software. Even with the very detailed and high-tech editing softwares I researched, the best was iMovie. I decided to use this one because I was very familiar with it and wouldn't have any trouble learning how to use each tool. It saved me time and energy and made the music video more successful than it would have been with a different software. The final change that we made was regarding audio and lighting. I had originally planned to have the original audio of the dancers in the video in certain clips. However, I decided that it wasn't very professional. I also did not change the lighting as much as I thought I would, as it made the video look unnatural. Where all of these were accomplished was through the iMovie editing tools and software.